The new Gemini 2.0 Flash AI model is doing amazing work in the AI space. I'm sure you could come up with unique usages of your own, but let's examine some. So I've started out with generating different angles to the same image. So I'm starting out with the Retro Pop CRT round monitor, generating it with Google Imagine, and then using Gemini in order to edit the image. So I'm asking for the same image, just side view, and it's generating pretty amazing result. Next one would be same image, back view. I did quite a few before I selected this one, which I really like, even though it's really weird, but I love it. Next one would be same image, frontal view, same image, 45 degrees to the right. So I'm getting quite a turntable rotation of the screen. Amazing results by Gemini. Let's see another use case. So that one is just for expression editor. I've imported a real film image, and I've asked Gemini to make him wink and stick out a tongue, and it's doing pretty wild job preserving the rest of the image and manipulating just that area that I've asked to change. The character looks the same. The expression is exactly what I've asked for. I'm really shocked. Next would be consistent character and location. So again, a still image from a video, and I'm asking for another angles of this character. So I've gotten like this medium shot and this extreme close-up. All of them have like the exact same color grading, and the character looks surprisingly the same. I love it. In this one, I've actually tried to get different camera angles. So I've generated this long shot of the museum surrounding, and then I've asked for a high angle close-up of the man in the scene. I've got something really nice, a top shot of the scene. So I'm getting the statue and the man in the same surrounding, create close over the shoulder shot in the scene, looking at the statue. So I'm getting a real nice over the shoulder shot, low angle. And this one is a no angle close up of the statue's face, which is also pretty good. So for generating different angles of the same scene in order to generate a video from each of them, this is really the possibility to do that now is at your fingertips. Next use case I would consider is using Gemini for style reference. So in the first example, I'm using again this film still and generating an image of an old Buddhist monk walking near a lake, but it actually understood the same grain amount. It's pretty amazing. And in this example, I'm using this image to generate an image of an abstract vase using the same material and background. And it's also doing a really nice job. I mean, I think the texture is pretty similar. It has these big holes and the tiny ones. I love it. Next example is the virtual try-on. I mean, we are used to a specific AI models doing that, but for now, I've connected Weavy's logo with the prompt that's asking for generate an image of Balenciaga style, lime-colored tie-dye shirt with the logo printed on the shirt, and I've gotten this beautiful image. And then I've asked in another step to generate a model wearing this shirt, Balenciaga photoshoot style. Of course, I tried Balenciaga style, runway photoshoot, and I think this is pretty spot. So it's very good with virtual try-on whenever I tried it. Last example, editing images. I've started out with this old radio image, and I've asked Gemini to add 3 tiny robots dancing on top of the radio, which it did pretty nicely, again, preserving all the fine details of the radio I don't see any data loss. And in this example, using this image, and I'm asking Gemini to use the same woman in the same picture, but make her wear a suit. And I think, judging from afar, she looks pretty similar, and the suit is there. I'm pretty amazed by Gemini's capabilities, and I would share this workflow for you to check out the different use cases for it. All right, see you in the next tutorial.